Good morning. I like to spend a few minutes this morning explaining to you why it is so important to keep up with our preventive care visits. The main purpose of a pediatrician is to prevent illnesses. Over the last 3-4 decades, we have been very eager to immunize everybody, every child, and we have been able to control many infectious diseases. Now, young families are confronted with a new infectious disease, COVID-19. We are all desperate to get an immunization that will prevent this terrible illness. As you know, COVID-19 is known because it affects older populations. Our children apparently are not so vulnerable to it. But what we know is that children are vulnerable to other diseases. Many of us have never seen a case of polio, or a case of measles, or a case of whooping cough. But those illnesses can still come back. And that's why it's so important that we keep immunizations current, that we keep vaccinating little ones. Because what will happen if we don't, what will happen if we delay immunizations is that in 12 months from today, in 1 year and a half from today, there's going to be new cases of measles and whooping cough and chickenpox. And those diseases are very threatening to our childhood, our children population. So we cannot delay immunizing. We have to do it now. Hopefully, in the next year and a half, there will be a vaccine that will prevent COVID-19. In the meantime, we should and must prevent the illnesses that we can. So, in our practice, we plan to see all our healthy children in our location in Chula, Vista, and we are going to be calling you. We are going to be calling you to schedule those appointments. Those are safe appointments. We encourage you to come to them. We encourage you to bring the immunization record of your family, and we will review them, and we will give every immunization we can offer to your children. With that, I want to add that there are other aspects of your family's health that we can address. In these difficult times, teenagers are especially vulnerable to mental health problems. Anxiety and depression are very common in young adults. If you feel that this is something your children are experiencing, don't let it fester. Don't let it go over and ignore it. We must address these issues when they appear because we are all at risk and we need to protect our young adults. With that, I'm going to leave this simple message letting you know that we are here ready to take care of your family and that we have a perfect location. That is in Otay Ranch in Chula Vista. Our office number there is 619-482-1700. Thank you, and we love to take care of your family.